Hypertext Markup Language. Introduction. What is HTML and where is it used? So let us explore and see that what it is about. Now, the World Wide Web is made up of various websites. These websites are made up of many web pages. The starting page or the main page of a website is called the home page. A web page is a document that can contain information in various forms such as text, images, audio, video, etc. and can be seen on the internet through a web browser. A web browser is a software program that lets you open various web pages. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, Mozilla Firefox, and quite a few are there. Now, in front of you, there are two web pages shown. One of them is a very commonly seen one, which is of Wikipedia. And the other one is an elementary one, is a new, small, tiny one, which we have made just now. And we are going to learn how to make web pages using the small codes slowly to be grown into bigger ones. Right? Web pages are written using Hypertext Markup language, which is what we are going to learn very soon. Hypertext Markup language or HTML. We can create web pages of our choice using Hypertext Markup language. Hypertext refers to links that connect web pages or websites. And markup means set of markup tags. Now these tags are what? That makes the program. In this chapter, we will learn designing web pages using HTML. It does the web page designing and layout with the help of commands which are called tags. For every designing format, there is a specific tag. As a fact, if you don't know, HTML was developed by an English scientist, Sir Tim Berners-Lee. He was born in United Kingdom on 8th June 1955. Now, some features of HTML. So some of the features are HTML is simple to learn and apply. It forms the building blocks of all the websites. It provides scope to learn websites with hyperlinking. It allows easy insertion and embedding of images and other objects. It gives opportunity to create interactive forms. Okay. So the steps to create a web page using HTML. Now this one is one way to read and do, and I am going to show you the steps by working, and on the screen you will see where to click, when to click, what to click, what to write, what to do. Okay, now the steps are written here that you can see better now. So you will open a text file in Notepad, then write the commands or tags and then save it with the extension of .html in the path that you have to remember, and the file should be saved under all files as a data type, as a file type, and then you will have to open any of the internet browsers, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other whichever you want, and there you will have to write the path of the file with the file name with .html, and then the moment you will press enter in the browser, you will see that your web page has appeared on the browser. Are you feeling excited? At least I am feeling very excited to show this to you. So now comes the action. Right, so this is a place where I'm going to create, this is a folder inside which I'm going to create my first step by step, the web page. Right, so you have to first step number 1, open a notepad file. The notepad file can be opened by right click and then choose new and then text document as I press enter. Right. Now I am going to put a name to it. I am giving it the name of 1, O-N-E 1. 1 is a text file. When I will press enter, the text file will get created. Then when I will double click on it, I will get chance to write my tag wise code here. Now the tags I have not shown you. I will show you soon. First let me show you what is coming up. This is my first web page matter. I will have to then click on Save As. In Save As, I will have to click on the file with extension name HTML. And in type, I have to mention it as all files. This is a very important step. If this all files is not clicked, then it does not work as a HTML file. And this .html also is very important, right? Then I will click on save. When I save it, you will notice that another copy has been created. Now I have to go to, either I can click on this or I can go to the browser and open this, whichever can work. If you have a default web browser set, if you double click on it, just because my default web browser is Google Chrome, when I double clicked on this, you see what has come. The first web page has come. And where did the text in this web page come from? Let me show that to you. It came from the file which I had made. Because this file was saved as HTML file, I got it as the web page. If I make a change in this, suppose I make it, this is my first experiment. If I write, this is my first experiment, and I put a smiley also, then I have to save it first. So I go to File, I go to Save As. There I have got to write the name as 1.html, and then I have to click on Save As Type, All Files. Then I have to click on Save. It will ask, it is already there, do you want to replace? Yes, I want to replace. Then if I come to the web page and if I click on refresh, you know what will happen? See what happened. Got it? The change in the text in the source became the web page content. Now this is a full web page, a very simple one, but it is a web page. Understood? So now comes the series of website making that I am going to show you, and I'm very excited about it. Okay?